Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you are in the UG Zone A because location drives spawn logic. Once there, equip the shovel, pick, and torch. These each trigger different nugget nodes, that matters. Move to the marked ridge and begin targeted dig patterns, 2 steps forward, 1 left. Keep a healing item ready, you will take small falls. Once done with the first pass, note any shimmer spots and mark them on your map for repeat attempts. You proceed by focusing on shimmer spots you marked, because those hold higher probability. Use the pick on hard nodes and switch to the shovel on loose soil. Alternating tools resets node states. Make sure to light a torch after 3 digs to reset local spawn timers, and then wait 30 to 45 seconds before the next extraction. Once you find a small yield, repeat the exact movement pattern and log coordinates using the 3-digit grid for consistency. You finish by securing the nugget into inventory slot 1, then inspect its quality stats immediately because some actions alter value. If you go 4 full attempts with nothing, move 12 to 18 meters and repeat the same dig pattern. Spawns are location sensitive. Make sure tool durability is adequate, and if nothing spawns at all, check server tick rate or reset the area. This often fixes invisible spawn glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.